JCC focus on Coco and digital hero in the industry. Living in the sea saved a life. What if they told you that astronaut Don Pettit is like the Clint Eastwood of space science? Except instead of guns, he pulls out a camera and shoots nerdiness in microgravity? Well, my dear bored Earthlings, today we are going to talk about a man who decided to turn the International Space Station into an improvised physics lab, a film studio, and, why not, a reality show, where the protagonist is a rebellious water bubble. Don is not just an astronaut, he is NASA's anti-marketing with the soul of an interstellar poet. While Elon Musk tweets with rockets, Don freezes droplets, and talks to ice crystals as if they were rare space Pokemon. Some people are born to ride horses. I was born to ride a rocket. Yes, he said that. Yes, he was serious. And yes, NASA still lets him play with expensive equipment. The science of opportunity is when the scientist looks at an experiment and thinks, what if I do the opposite just to see what happens? This usually ends in an explosion, or a Nobel Prize, sometimes both. Don takes this and brings it to space, literally. While Earth spins with its gravitational chaos, there he is, floating in the vacuum, playing the gravity-free alchemist. He freezes water, thaws it, observes crystals, pretends he's in an episode of Cosmos starring himself. And all of this off script. NASA probably faints every time he starts a sentence with "what if." Do you think a camera in hand in space is just for selfies with Earth in the background? Don uses it as a magnifying glass, as a scalpel, and sometimes as a kick in the backside of classical physics. While you're taking cat photos with filters, he's taking close-ups of the Milky Way to show how humanity looks like a shy pixel, trying to stand out in the Photoshop of the cosmos. Observing the Earth's horizon is a unique view. Translation: he's witnessing the birth of day and night at the same time, and you're still stumbling over the living room furniture trying to find the light. Don captures the sky as if writing cosmic haikus with lenses and ISO. The Milky Way becomes the visual soundtrack of a humanity that still stumbles over its own genetic strings. The droplet of water escaping in space is a beautiful metaphor. We are all bubbles floating in a galactic test tube, trying to understand where we are and why we insist on forgetting the basics. And at the center of it all, there is Don Pettit, not as a hero, but as a hacker of reality, pirating the laws of physics with a camera, and a smile of someone who knows more than they say. If you enjoyed this journey through crystals, cameras, and orbital chaos, give it a like before gravity returns and crushes your curiosity. And subscribe before the algorithm decides to send you into a black hole of ASMR slime videos.